Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick look at our new Razor Care Kit. Well, they say that necessity is the mother of all invention, and that really is the case at Razor Emporium. I often think of how it all started, or someone asked me, how does it all start? And it literally started with people asking me, to help with this, help with this. Hey, can you help restore my razor? Hey, can you sell me some blades? Hey, I need a shaving cream. What do you recommend? The same goes with this new care kit. We've been offering the polishing cloths, which mine is used, yes, down here, I have a little one stashed. We've been offering these polishing cloths for more than a decade, and the polishing cloth came about for the exact same reason. Someone would get back a razor after we refinished it, and they'd say, how do I take care of it? I'd say, don't use crazy metal polishes, use our special polishing cloth that's safe on all finishes. Well, we get the same kind of question over the years. How do I lubricate the razor? So a while back, we started offering just literally a bottle of mineral oil. I always am shocked that people have either not heard of mineral oil or don't know where to buy it or they can't find it. So we literally bought a huge container of mineral oil and just repackaged it for you. And yeah, it's in a nice little container here. We can talk about in just a moment, but it's just mineral oil, okay? And the last component of this little care kit is now this little razor clean. Same thing. People have asked me over the years, Matt, how do I clean and sanitize my razor? I got it from the thrift store. I got it from my uncle. I don't want to share germs with him. I don't know. It's maybe dirty. So we thought, okay, we can do that. So I literally made a very simple product that has just a few ingredients. It has isopropyl alcohol. It has water. It has dish detergent. And it has some blued food coloring just to make you feel like it's doing something here. It's some special secret ingredient. It's just food coloring, guys. No different than Dawn dish detergent is blue, right? Blue means health and safety and, care and comfort. All right. So let's say you want to get started. So you can buy a little Razor Care Kit. I think this sells for $12. And you get the cloth, which alone sells for $5. And you get the lube and the sanitation now. So we're going to do the whole thing. The only other thing that doesn't come in the kit is an old toothbrush, which I hope you have because I hope you brush your teeth. And at some point you should get a new toothbrush because they do go bad after a while. And while your teeth will like a new toothbrush, your razor won't mind an old one. So I'm going to take an old toothbrush. I'm going to get my vintage Prospector razor that lives on set. Yes, it lives over here all the time, right under here. I have a little table and it lives over here. Okay, and I'm going to use my little Razor Clean product and pop the little top. And I'm literally just going to spray it down. Yes, guys, just spray it down. And again, it's already got some water on it. I'm going to use my toothbrush. Smell that lovely alcohol action. Because there's a little dish detergent and because there's some water, this is great to get soaps come off. It's also sanitizing it in one step. Clean and sanitize one step. You're going to notice soap scum disappearing. Now it's sanitary, smells clean and hygienic. You're not worried anymore. You can rinse that all off. You will need to just dry off your razor with a cotton towel preferably. And now it comes time to lube. And again, I've been asked this a million times. It's a adjustable razor or something with moving parts. Where should I lube? I always say where the pieces are moving against each other. So I know that the center bar goes up and down. So I'm going to drop one little drop of oil down the center bar. I know that the adjustment wheel turns. I'm going to put maybe a drop above and below the adjustment wheel. And I know the TTO knob moves, so I'm going to put maybe a drop right there. And this little dispenser does make it quite handy to dish out just one drop at a time. I'm going to just work the mechanism back and forth, work all the moving pieces, make sure that oil is moving down inside the metal. I can also use my cotton towel now to wipe off excess. And I have got a sanitized and lubed razor. The last step would be to make sure that it looks nice, my polishing cloth. Remember, this is not a cotton towel. It is not a sunglass cloth. It actually has a polishing compound in the fabric, so no other product needed. It is safe on all plated metal. You can even buff up your wedding band, your wife's rings, whatever you want. You can buff up. If it's a plated surface, it is safe. Silver, gold, rhodium, nickel, any of these finishes are safe. I can now buff this up and get any little fingerprints off and make it just look as nice as possible. And I've got a one-stop shop. The Razor Care Kit from Razor Emporium. It will make all of your razor dreams come true. Your worries about sanitation and lubrication are over. I feel like I'm pitching a commercial here. Get it now, limited supplies, while they last. Call now. People are standing by to sell you the Razor Care Kit. But seriously, I do this not so I can make a bunch of money. On a $12 item, I'm not going to retire, guys. I am doing this literally so that you have a solution. If you don't want to go out and buy your own mineral oil or make your own little sanitation stuff, you can buy our stuff. We got you covered. All things Razor Emporium here at Razor Emporium, all things vintage shaving. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks so much.